Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix the lag issues on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, first of all, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on device care. Now from here, just tap on storage. Now from here, just make sure that the storage on your device is not full. Now, if the storage on your device is full, just delete any unwanted data on your smartphone to free up some storage. For example, you can delete any photos and videos which you might not need, or you can delete any app on your smartphone which you are not using. Now, once you've done that, now just go back. From here, just scroll up and tap on display. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on motion smoothness. Now from here, instead of standard, just select high. And once you do that, now just go back. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now from here, just tap on vision enhancement. Now just scroll down. Now just enable this toggle to reduce the animations on your smartphone. Now once you have done that, now just go back. Now from here, just tap on software update. Now just tap on download and install. Now from here, just check if your smartphone has any software update available. Now if your smartphone has any software update available, just update the software of your smartphone. Now once you've done that, now just go to your home screen and reboot your smartphone. Now to do that, just press and hold the power button on your smartphone. Now from here, as you can see, the power menu has appeared on the screen. Now just select restart. Now just tap on restart. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to restart and to fix the lag issues on your smartphone. Now, as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. Just like that. And this is how you can fix the lag issues on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.